If you're shopping for a new washer, you've probably come across two big names, Maytag and Whirlpool. At Town Appliance, we work with both brands every day. And one of the most common questions we get is, which one is actually better? In this video, we'll break down the real differences between Maytag and Whirlpool washing machines, so you can choose the right one for your home. With decades of experience helping customers choose appliances, plus nationwide delivery, flexible financing options, and over 70 brands in our lineup, we see how these machines perform across all types of homes and use cases. Brand overview. Let's start with the basics. Maytag has been around since 1893 and built its reputation on durability. These machines are known for being tough, reliable, and made to handle heavy use. Whirlpool, founded in 1911, is one of the largest appliance manufacturers in the world. In fact, it also owns Maytag today. Whirlpool focuses more on innovation, energy efficiency, and offering a wide range of options at different price points. Build quality and design. This is where the brands really start to differ. Maytag machines are built like tanks. They're designed for long-term durability, especially if you're running large or frequent loads. Whirlpool takes a different approach. Their machines are still durable, but they focus more on design, ease of use, and modern features. You'll also notice Whirlpool models often look more sleek and offer more finish options. Features and technology. Maytag focuses on performance. Features like the extra power button and strong wash cycles are designed to handle tough stains and heavy-duty loads. They also keep things simple, which many users prefer. Whirlpool leans into convenience and smart tech. Some models include Wi-Fi connectivity, app control, and features like Load and Go, which lets you add detergent once and wash multiple loads. If you like automation and smart home integration, Whirlpool has the edge here. Performance and efficiency. Both brands clean well, but in slightly different ways. Of course, performance and durability can vary depending on the specific model, how often you use it, and how well it's maintained. So it's always important to compare individual models, not just the brand. Maytag is all about power. If you're dealing with work clothes, kids, sports gear, or heavy loads, Maytag is built for that. Whirlpool focuses more on efficiency. Many models are ENERGY STAR certified and use features like adaptive wash to optimize water and energy usage. Maytag is designed for heavy-duty cleaning, while Whirlpool focuses on efficiency and convenience. Models and flexibility. Both brands offer a wide range of options. Maytag offers straightforward, strong, and reliable machines with fewer variations and consistent performance. Whirlpool provides more flexibility with more models and features, including options like removable agitators and smart upgrades. If you want more options and flexibility in features, Whirlpool gives you more choices. Price and value. In general, Maytag tends to be slightly more expensive up front, but you're paying for durability and long-term reliability. Whirlpool offers more budget-friendly options with solid performance and more modern features. So it really depends on what you value more and on the specific model you're considering. When it comes to long-term toughness, choose Maytag. On the other hand, when it comes to features and price flexibility, Whirlpool is your go-to brand. Real user experience. Based on customer feedback and reviews, though individual experiences may vary, Maytag customers love reliability. Many say their machines last for years with minimal issues. Whirlpool users love convenience, especially smart features, efficiency, and ease of use. There are occasional durability concerns with some lower-end Whirlpool models, but overall, both brands perform well. Conclusion. So, which one should you choose? Go with Maytag if you want a heavy-duty machine, long-term durability, and strong cleaning power. Go with Whirlpool if you want smart features and better energy efficiency, more options at different price points. At Town Appliance, we carry both Maytag and Whirlpool washers, and our team can help you choose the right model based on your needs, space, and budget. If you have questions, feel free to reach out or visit one of our showrooms. And if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more appliance guides. We also break down specific models, comparisons, and buying tips, so be sure to check out our other videos.